No heat call. Goodman gas-fired heating furnace. So there it is. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check right here to see what's the fault. As you can hear, the blower fan is running. Blower fan is running, but there's no heat. Space temperature is 56 degrees. So count the fault codes. So that's 6 flashes. Check again. So 6 flashes. So from experience, I know that 6 flashes, that's the flame rollout. Flame rollout. So I'm gonna go right there and I'm gonna show you where your flame rollout switch is. I'm gonna go ahead and reset that. So there is your flame rollout switch. And there's 2 of them in there. There's one in the bottom and one up top. So this switch is a manual reset. So I'm gonna hit this one. First of all, I'm gonna turn this thing off. Turn it off. So yeah, so flame rollout, that's 6 flashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if it's this one that's tripped. Let's zoom in on that. So there it is. Let's see if it's tripped. You will hear a click when I press this button right here. Yup, that was tripped. Let's see the one in the bottom. So my finger in there. Oh, that was good. Okay, so there's a couple of reasons why we'll have our flame rollout. If we get a weak combustion motor, or induction motor, or if we get a block flue exhaust, or the main problem with a flame rollout is going to be with a crack, or if there's a hole in your heat exchanger. All right, so in this case, I don't believe that there's a problem with my combustion motor, nor that my vent is blocked, my flue exhaust vent is blocked, simply because I am not tripping on this pressure switch right here. So it seems like the air movements or the static pressure within this blower, combustion blower or induction induced draft motor housing is good enough to satisfy this switch, because if this switch wasn't satisfied, it would be another different flash code. All right, so that 6 code is the limit. Secondly, actually there's 2 of them on this furnace. There's another one up here. So if this motor doesn't make the right pressure, if there's a buildup of, say, condensation in here, we'll get one of these tripping. Okay, it's a different flash code. Secondly, if, say, the blower fan or the blower motor wasn't moving enough air, say for example a dirty filter, I've seen it where that caused this limit to trip in a different type of furnace. But we have a chamber limit right here that didn't trip. That would be a different flash code. So let's put it back on. Let it fire up. Quick and easy. But I think more than likely what I'm going to do is just replace that limit. Once it fires up, if I see no rollout, if it's burning good, no flame rollout, I'm going to replace that limit. Stay tuned. So we're reset. You see there's no more fault. Light is steady. I'm just waiting for the furnace to restart. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. Starting up. Okay, so right now there's no flame rollout. Flame is burning good. Let's see what happens when the blower fan kicks on, because if there's a crack or there's a hole in the heat exchanger, it's going to roll out. Guess the fan just turned on, the blower fan just turned on. And yeah, it's still looking good. Let me get the lights off. Yeah, that's burning good, good, good. No rollout. So at this point, at the limit switch out. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. Says this cuts out at 200 degrees. Looks like what the temperature comes back in. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and replace this, and I'm gonna replace that one as well. I'm gonna do them both as a process. It's a just good practice, because next thing you know, the other one is gonna go malfunction. So yeah, this thing is very nice. There is no flame rollout. No flame rollout whatsoever. All right, so that's the video. Quick troubleshooting. Goodman heating furnace. So you can grab the model from serial. All right, that's it.